guys, if you've always thinking that if you want to stay in a very good township, one that is developed beautifully, but then you must spend at least 700, 800, 900,000, 1 million to stay there, there is something very, very exciting coming up. You don't have to give up your current lifestyle and you still can stay in a wonderful township. Alright? To know more, register at duduk.my. duduk.my. Alright? Go register yourself and understand more this exciting concept coming from a very, very well-known developer. Cheers! Good morning. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, it's 7-ish. Damn scary, the motorbikes really, they're ready to pounce anytime. They just don't stop. Oh, motorbikes. We need to take care of them. Anyway. Scary. Will it fit? I guess worst case scenario, I'll just fold down the... I can't put it that way. It's not gonna hold. Okay. Should be alright, I guess. Ouch. Lie down. Stuff. Entire trolley. Success. This is hard work. Oh, I'm sweating all over, man. No joke. So if you think your wife or when women do grocery shopping is a fun thing, right? It's not. And today I finally understand why woman gets angry when they ask the guy, where should we eat tonight? And then the guy is like, pizza? And she's like, no. And then KFC? No. McDonald's? No. And then she gets angry. Then the guy is like, I told you what, I already said but you do not want, but then you ask me, you know, this perennial question, right? I think I finally understand women on this thing. Not that I finally understand, okay? I've never really ran into this issue, but I get that logic, because when a woman comes out grocery shopping, right, who gave them the list? You see, for us it's easy. They gave us the list, right? They gave us the list. We just follow the list, run up and down, up and down. But they are the ones at home thinking who likes to eat what and what needs to be purchased in order to do the whatever that who wants to eat. And if they do not know some of the ingredients, some of the things, they maybe they went online, or they can make a phone call to their mom or friends to check. Hey, my son likes to eat this, my husband likes to eat this, what should I buy, what do I need, you know? All these are efforts, you know? So to them, they took the effort to think and try and recall what we like, and then they took the effort and to go and find out how to prepare what we like, and then cook it for us, and they sweat and tire and all that, and that's the cooking part. Imagine the buying part in the groceries, pushing the trolley up and down, trying to find that thing, and it's not fun. And then go up the car and all that. It's proper hard work, to be honest. And then when it comes to weekend, when your woman wants you to bring her out for a nice dinner, she expects you to think of what she might like to eat. Let's say when she's doing cooking, if yesterday she cooked porridge, what if she cooked porridge the next day, and then the next day, and then you guys will be like, are we eating this again for dinner? Duh. Or yesterday she had this dish, you know, some steamed chicken, and then fried fish, and then blah blah, you know, and then the next day she goes steamed chicken, fried fish, and all that again, and for you and the kids will be like, Mom, why is it the same again? Aiyo, hey wife, you lazy huh? Why you cook the same thing all over again, right? So that's why when the woman wants you to bring her out for dinner on the weekend, she wouldn't want you to suggest KFC, which you guys just had yesterday, or that Italian that you guys went last week, right? So she expects us, woman expects us to actually put some effort into thinking, maybe she likes this, maybe this, okay, I think she likes this, I think she will like this, and then you go and make the maybe the booking, the reservation, and then you order the thing. They want once in a while, they want to enjoy being thought of and being taken care of. Taken care of meaning you don't need to think about what to eat, but your man who loves you so much thought on behalf for you already, so that you can enjoy the meal in the way as to how you want your family to enjoy their dinner, because they don't need to worry or think or discuss with you what to eat. You already think on behalf for them. So I think this is the thing that helps me connect the dots, you know. I mean, I'm lucky, my wife is more easygoing, so if I suggest something that is not too bad, she'll be like, oh, okay, let's go, you know. She's that type. Yeah, so this is, I think I'm pretty right about this in terms of how they compute. And to all the women, all the wives, all the mothers and all that, salute. Not easy for you guys to take care of. Yeah. Alright? See, men do a little bit of grocery shopping, macam want to declare something already. Like, like there's a moment of realization, like enlightenment, you know. Ta-da! Oh, yeah, man. Ask you do little bit of things, and then you macam like a freaking big achievement like that.